Take it. Today, we're taking a look at the Narwal Flow 2, and this is one of the most advanced all-in-one robot vacuum and mop systems we've seen so far. Instead of just combining features, this is built around a completely different approach to how mopping actually works day to day. Big thanks to Narwal for sending us this Flow 2, but this video is not sponsored and any opinions expressed in this video are my own. If you want more details, check the link in the description. Right away, the biggest difference here is the Flow Wash mopping system, and this is where things get interesting. Instead of dragging a dirty pad around your house, this uses a rolling track mop that's constantly being cleaned in real time. You've got 16 angled outlets spraying 140-degree hot water directly onto the mop while it's cleaning. So it's basically rinsing itself as it goes. On top of that, there's a built-in scraper that actively removes dirt from the mop. So you're not just spreading grime around. And the mop applies about 12 newtons of downward pressure, which is much closer to actual scrubbing compared to most robot mops that barely touch the floor. If you have tough messes in your house, the Flow 2 genuinely works more like an eraser than a typical mop. After it finishes, you can go back over the area with a white cloth, and there's basically no residue left behind. Another detail I like is how it handles edges. The track mop can extend outward, so when it's cleaning along walls, table legs, or cabinets, it actually reaches further into those areas instead of leaving it uncleaned like most round robots miss. And because it's using a dual tank system with clean and dirty water plus continuous water flow, the cleaning stays consistent from start to finish instead of degrading over time. Now beyond just mopping, the intelligence behind this is powered by NarMind Pro, which is basically the AI system running everything. And this is where it starts to feel less like a random robot and more like something that's actually making decisions. For obstacle avoidance, it can recognize a wide range of objects and assign different risk levels to them. So for something like table legs or furniture, it gets really close to clean edges properly. But if it sees something higher risk, like cable, shoes, or even pet-related messes, it adjusts its behavior and keeps a safer distance. It's not just avoiding things, it's reacting differently depending on what it sees. You can really see this when you scatter a mix of objects across the floor. It navigates through everything pretty intentionally without that chaotic bumping you get from a lot of other robots. It also adjusts how it cleans depending on the type of mess. So if you've got debris like wet, messes, and spills, it handles both in the same run without needing to switch modes. That's one of those small things that actually makes a big difference day to day because you're not constantly babysitting or changing settings. There's also a dedicated pet care mode along with AI floor tagging so it can recognize different areas of your home and clean them more intelligently over time. On the vacuuming side, you're getting up to 31,000 pascals of suction, so it has no problem handling debris, pet hair, and deeper cleaning on carpets. It also uses a dual flow tangle-free system to reduce hair wrapping, which is a big deal if you've got pets or longer hair in the house. The base station is fully automated as well. It handles dust collection, mop washing, and drying, and it now includes a reusable dust bag and washable debris filter, which makes it a bit more eco-friendly and lowers long-term maintenance. Battery life is solid too, with the 7,000 mAh battery and AI battery management that helps protect long-term health while still supporting simultaneous cleaning and charging. Now, design is also worth calling out because it's clearly been well thought through. I really like how this station looks, especially compared to the original Flow stock. It has a sharper, more modern, and minimal design that fits in much better with a typical home setup. There's also a status light bar that adds a subtle visual touch without being distracting. Overall, it feels more like a premium home appliance you'd want out on display rather than a piece of tech you need to hide. Overall, the Narwal Flow 2 feels heavily focused on one thing, which is delivering a genuinely better mopping experience and then backing that up with smart navigation and strong vacuum performance. The real-time self-cleaning mop, strong pressure, and hot water system make a noticeable difference, especially if you deal with tougher messes on hard floors regularly. If you want to learn more or check current pricing and availability, be sure to check the link in the description.